Howdy folks, my name is Chris and welcome back to the Benchtop Micro Shop, my garage wood shop. In today's video I'm going to show you my move from Georgia to Huntsville, Alabama. I'm very excited about this video because this video is the entire reason for why I'm on YouTube and why I designed my workflow the way I did. See, I'm required to move every couple years for my work, and anyone that's a woodworker or has any tools and has ever moved them understands that it's extremely difficult and not very fun, and it generally becomes a lower priority when it comes to moving to get your shop set up again. Well, I often don't have the luxury of being in a place for very long, so it's to my benefit to be able to set up and tear down very quickly. Also, not to mention all the times you need access to your tools whenever you get to a new place to fix something or take something apart. Just using tools in the process of moving in. Anyhow, my entire shop setup is designed around this requirement to move. So it takes me about 30 minutes to break the shop down. I'm not going to count the loading, unloading time, and about 30 minutes or so to set the shop back up. So very efficient, to the level of it would actually be a benefit if I were a finished contractor, in some cases, to move this setup to a job site and work out of their garage or whatever facility they have there to use these tools, because I also have the ability, even though I'm using benchtop tools, to produce basically quality finished work or furniture, etc. Anyhow, without further ado, my video and pictures can show you a lot better than I can describe what's going to happen. So enjoy the next 8 minutes of me moving at 800 times the speed it actually took.
All right, folks, so I'm right at 36 minutes and I've got everything off the truck. Now what's left is to hook up the dust collection pipe, the power between the two halves, and bolt the two halves back together. Didn't do all of that off camera. It's probably not very fun to watch.
Anyhow, I hope you gained something from this video. I hope there's a lot more about this setup in the other videos on my channel. I encourage you to check those out. If you haven't already, please subscribe and click that notification bell. You'll see a lot more videos like this, just with tips on how you can maximize your space, whatever size it is, to produce the best and the best quality of things that you can with the machines that you have. Thanks for watching.